Welcome to Machinery Video. We're looking at a Lodge & Shipley Power Shift 22-inch swing by 80-inch center distance heavy duty lathe. This is a very nice machine with a full-length chip tray. The machine includes taper attachment, steady rest, 4-way tool post, 2 3-jaw chucks, 1 4-jaw chuck, and just very nice overall condition. One of the real nice features on this heavy duty power shift is 4-way rapid traverse, and just a nice feature, something we may take for granted today, but on an older heavy piece of American iron, it's a very nice feature. And getting a little shot of the compound there and the 4-way tool post, heavy duty. This Lodge & Shipley Power Shift has a taper attachment. And just showing you the condition of the machine overall here, very nice. Coolant setup is complete with new hose there. There's a nice steady rest with bronze bushings. Very heavy duty tailstock with 2-speed on the tailstock and then a handle to position along the bed. Very nice condition. Along with the chucks on this machine, there is also a collet setup. And all the buttons and bezels and dials on this machine are just super, really nice condition. The feeds and speed plates are all clearly legible, and this is an excellent opportunity on a good sturdy tool room lathe. Thank you for watching Machinery Video. To receive a quotation on this fine Lodge & Shipley Power Shift machine, please visit www.wigglesworth.com and send us an email. Our courteous staff will respond with a quotation promptly and accurately. We look forward to speaking with you.